Hey guys, Trevor here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to soft reset any iPhone. Now if your iPhone is having issues, you can soft reset it by pressing the volume up, pressing the volume down, and then pressing and holding the side or power button. So again, on the left side of your phone is the volume up, volume down, and then the power button, and that will soft reset it. So I'll show you how this works. Volume up, volume down, and then press and hold that side button. Now it'll say slide to power off, but we're just going to continue to hold it, and you'll be able to see eventually your iPhone screen will go completely black. Continue to hold that power button until you see the Apple logo. At that point you can release your fingers and you will have gone through the process of doing that soft reset. Keep in mind, you might want to try this a couple times to get the hang of it if it doesn't work immediately. Again, volume up, volume down, and then press and hold that side button until you see the phone screen go black and then an Apple logo. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.